Mantax and the what bird? Oh man, don't I love whistling? What's that? I think I see something. I think I see a little something buried in the mud. Dig, dig, diggy, dig, dig. Whoa, what bird is that? I guess I'll call it a what bird? I'd better tell Prydac about this one. Prydac! You called me? Please call for Prydac. Sure. Prydac! What is it? Yeah, I found this thing called a what bird. That is not a what bird. That's not even a bird. What? It's only something made of plastic. Then what was it sculpted to be? Penguin? Really? Seriously, this is hopeless. Max, it's a penguin! It looks very hungry. Oh, that's what I'd call an adventure. I agree. So do I. So, guys, soup's on. But we don't have any bowls. And all noodle at that. Who wants a sip? So, who wants it? Answer. Me! And